Hi, my name is Mike and I want to guide you through this video. This video should give you an overview of the functionality of AX3000 Sanitation. First of all, I want to start with this 3D BIM model. Let's make life a bit simpler and switch the outside walls to be invisible. Let's switch on also the green walls. They are representing the installation wall for the pre-wall installation. As a next step, we place the sanitary elements. In this case, we are starting with the washing basin. Afterwards, we add the toilets and the urinals. Also, a few ceramic separators are placed between these urinals. It is also possible to add concealed frame installation elements into the walls. The user can decide if they want to work either with the ceramic elements like the washing basins or the toilets, or with the concealed frame elements as a load point. To connect different disciplines together, you can use external references to reference the models into one drawing. This will help you to prevent or find collisions and also to find the correct path for your piping. The main system we are using to design our elements is called EasyLine. So we need lines as a path or as a placeholder for the pipe. We are starting to draw them either horizontally or vertically on all the positions we need them. You also can copy these line segments from one position to another. Now we are connecting our elements. We have decided to connect the ceramic elements for the first, for the second and third part of the object. Afterwards, it is possible to calculate the system. The result will be a pipe plus the pressure loss calculation. The same functionality as well as for the sanitation system is available also for drainage. We have to deal the same way with the lines, either in 2D or in 3D. Draw all the lines in your plan view or in the isometrics and connect the elements to the line system. This can be done separately or connected, and different functionalities are available. At the end, you get the 3D model and the calculation exported to Excel. So AX3000 Sanitation offers you a functionality for all demands of sanitation systems. Thanks for watching this video about AX3000 Sanitation Module.